That was very spitty. We're making pecan pie squares that are going to revolutionize your holidays. Now these are the laid back version. Do you like how I'm using my hands?
I do.
The laid back version of pecan pie. There is no crust to roll out. You get all the ooey gooey, amazing greatness of pecan pies without breaking a sweat.
We're gonna start with the pecan pie filling. Are you gonna help?
I am absolutely here to help.
Okay, I'm excited to see this. So to our large bowl here, we're gonna add 1 cup of brown sugar. We have,
How can I help you?
you're gonna help in a second. We have 5 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. So can you gently whisk that up? No. I saw you gonna put your hands in the bowl.
They're clean. I just
But
washed
they
them.
don't go in the bowl. So in our next bowl, we're gonna whisk the wet ingredients that are gonna go into this, okay? So we have 6 eggs. The concentration is great, but you're okay. That's enough.
I don't like when you're sarcastic. It hurts my feelings.
Oh, you're doing a great job. 2 cups of corn syrup. We have 6 tablespoons of melted butter and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. So this is it for the filling. You're gonna add the wet.
It was that easy?
That's it.
People, why are we not making this every day? We don't just need to wait for the holidays.
So you're gonna add this to the dry ingredients there and just whisk it all together. For the crust, we're gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees and you're gonna line a 13 by 9 inch baking pan with parchment paper. It's really important to spray and use the parchment paper because it's very sticky and you wanna be able to.
As I said before, sticky, ooey, gooey.
So for the crust, we have 2 cups of flour.
And this is a shortbread crust, so like I said, no rolling out, nothing finicky about it.
1/2 cup of icing sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. What's up, Smiley? Are you up to something?
Nope.
1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and finally 1 cup of melted butter. So you're gonna just mix this crust up and you place the crust in your baking pan.
You know what else is amazing about these pecan pie bars?
What?
You can cut them to size, like to as big.
Is there something behind your
small.
back?
No,
Because
no,
are you?
fine.
Oh.
I'm just so grateful. You ruined it, Lisa.
So we pat it evenly through the pan, and Julie is my helper, putting a couple holes. Thank you. And this will go in a 350 degree oven for 20 minutes. So the final step is you're gonna stir 3 cups of roughly chopped pecan halves in the filling. So we're gonna pour the filling in, and it's gonna go back in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. Doesn't it smell good?
So good. And what I love to do, this is a good tip for you, is keep your pecans with their high oil content in the freezer. You can keep them for up to a year. Store them in the freezer.
When they come out of the oven, let them cool completely, and then refrigerate for 2 hours before cutting.
And to store them, you can store them for 5 to 7 days in the fridge, but good luck having them past day 1. For this recipe and more delicious ones, you can find them in our latest cookbook, The Bite Me Balance, which is 75% healthy, 25% butter. I would make this pecan pie year round.
Same.
And then I would say, you know, when Harry met Sally, would you like to go to my what was it? Pecan pie. Pecan pie.
We gonna start?
Whew.